on camera too.
Who recording? Is it? What the? We back.
We back. One piece.
Oh, we just got here, y'all. YouTube. Good afternoon. It's your boy Captain King and my man.
Kingfish, man. What's going on?
Crappie Cats. We back out here again. Just put our first fish in the boat. Very beautiful day out here today. Real sunny, probably about 70 degrees, but the wind is up. And what we're doing today is just putting fish in the boat. We on? You want on? Anyway, he thought he had some. But anyway, here's our first slab in the boat. Hey, stay with me. Come up and get it, baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up. Oh yeah. Woo! What's another big old girl?
The wrist actually going.
The big girls are out tonight.
Big backs. Big girls out at night. What? Big girls out.
Yeah. Got him. Maybe a lightweight. Maybe a lightweight. A little featherweight. Well, he ain't too feathery. All right, put him in the middleweight. We'll put him in the Mayweather category. My goodness. Yeah. Dog. It's over here, ain't playing. Fish came to fish. Fish came to fish.
Big mouth crappie yesterday messed me up, man. I don't know how to act.
So what you gotta say today? Well, you got them little feathers on the end, huh? They like them little skirt on them.
Get right, baby. Crappie Cats. We're gonna go back and get them.
You got it?
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
You got some pool action?
Decent.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bring him up here. Bring him this way. Bring him this way. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yes, indeed.
There he is. Get my finger.
Watch your finger, man. Watch your finger. Oh, my God. My grandpa's watch your finger.
You got that cat with a little kingfish?
Why are you looking at that?
I mean, big kingfish.
Hey, listen clearly. Make sure y'all paying attention. Kingfish does not come to play today. Kingfish does not come to play today. You hear me? We putting them in like it's crazy, like it's going out of style. We gonna keep it up, all right? Go get them, Kingfish. Captain King finna pull something in too. Oh. You're right, Cap. Oh, maybe a monster. Maybe a monster. Maybe a monster. Sure. Yeah. Maybe a monster. Yep. That's how we do it, baby. That's what we chasing. That's why they call us the Crappie Cats. Yes, sir. Can you dig it? What the? What a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Not again. Yes. Can you dig it? Get that slab up in there, boy.
Almost dead trying to pan man. Sir. Oh. Oh. Get close up. Take it close up. Let me take it off. We act like I've been here before. That's so nice. I'm excited, man. Say, man, this wind ain't no joke, but we out here, you know what I'm saying? We catching these dinosaurs out here, aka crappie, slabosaurus, all that, whatever you want to call it. That's what we catching today, man. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep at it, all right? Kingfish.
Fish.
Hey, this is what you gotta do when you put another slab on a.
Well, this guy here showing out. This boy here showing out. He's showing out, y'all. He's showing out. I gotta try to get on the boat.
You stop fishing, keep recording, man.
No, you don't have to, man.
I'm just messing. That's a nice one, though, man. Nice little.
Yes, sir.
Nice little dinosaur. About 12, 11, 12.
You gonna do something?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make it do what it do.
Do something.
You click.
YouTube, what's going on, man?
What's up, YouTube family? How you guys doing today?
Hey, man, today's been a nice day today. Managed to pull in probably about 20, maybe 30 of them. We ain't count them yet. We should have counted them, but it was a good day today. We tired, we hungry, and other than that, hopefully make it home safely. So y'all pray for us. Make sure y'all go like, subscribe, and also hit that bell for notifications. And we got new videos coming for y'all next time. I'm gonna show y'all my dance. You know what I'm saying? From now on, the crappie dance. Alright, we holler at y'all, man. Have a good one. Sir.